जल शक्ति अभियान कैच द रेन, जिसका मूल मंत्र है कैच द रेन वेयर इट फॉल्स व्हेन इट फॉल्स।
Government launched a Jal Shakti Abhiyan. As a part of the Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Jaladoot program. This program is for the students. There is a students campaign for Jaladoot. They will select some leaders of the students in colleges and schools. They will spread the awareness about the water, how to conserve the water, especially for rainwater harvesting, water scarcity problems, and also the water management. So, as a part of the Jaladoot, you select a one leader. That leader is a Jaladoot board leader. That leader can work in their locality. What are the problems they are facing in their own locality, especially as a case of water scarcity? If the water is available, that water is a pure water, or it is a if it is an impure water, they have to report to the concerned local authority. That is the duties of the students. If the students are doing, they can get it as certificate from the central government.
आज मैं आप सब लोगों को जल संरक्षण के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। जल संरक्षण का उद्देश्य ताजे पानी के प्राकृतिक संसाधन का स्थायी प्रबंध करना, जलमंडल की रक्षा करना और वर्तमान और भविष्य की मानवीय मांग को पूरा करना है। जल संरक्षण से जल की कमी से बचना संभव है। हम सब पानी तो बर्बाद करते हैं, लेकिन कभी उसे बचाते नहीं। पानी की बर्बादी जल संरक्षण का दूसरा पहलू है। लीटर पानी बर्बाद होता है। हम सबको पानी बचाने की पूरी कोशिश करनी चाहिए। पानी की गुणवत्ता को किसी भी तरह की क्षति से बचाना चाहिए। जल संरक्षण की रणनीतियों में से एक है वर्षा जल संचयन यानी रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग। कई देशों में बहुत से लोग साफ कंटेनर रखते हैं ताकि वे इसे उबाल कर पी सकें। पानी को बचाने के लिए नलों को खुला न छोड़ें, पानी को बेवजह खर्च न करें, जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनकर पानी को व्यर्थ न करने दें। इसी के साथ मैं अपना भाषण यहीं समाप्त करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Teachers and all my dear friends, today I am going to present a speech on rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting rainwater and storing it in a tank is known as rainwater harvesting. This process is applied to save water. This is an active process that is taking place in our country and initiative to save water. The process can prevent the usage of fresh water in household works other than drinking. Rainwater is considered to be the cleanest form of water after course for more than 5 minutes and dissolves the harmful gases from the environment as water acts as solvent to the gases. After the gas is dissolved, the atmosphere of the place where it is raining becomes the purest. Or storage for future use and recharge in the ground. It can be used for crop harvesting, gardening, etc. It helps in reducing the water supply risk, especially to the institutions. Rainwater recharged to the ground positively affects the groundwater quality by diluting nitrates and its salinity. It contains almost neutral pH and zero hardness, which makes it more able to use in homes, industries, etc. It may reduce the stress of public water supply sources. Recharge of rainwater to the ground prevents sea erosions into fresh water bodies in the coastal areas. I am concluding my speech with this. Thank you.
This topic is going to be about water conservation. We know that the water is an important resource and natural resource which should be conserved. But nowadays with all the human activities, this water level is going on decreasing. And we know that only a small amount of water is available for us as pure water. The rest is all salty water and clean water. To protect that, our government has introduced a new project which is called as rainwater harvesting, that is stocking the rainwater nearby our house. Because we know that nature is coming on and during that season we have to serve. And for that project, the beach have been built around our house, and whatever is coming down, it is being collected and put down in a tub, and that is reserved for the previous uses which can be used for various other purposes and the ground cover. And this project is being adopted to every school so that the students will know the value of water and it should be considered that it is the duty of all teachers to pass on this message so that children can serve the water because it is going to be extinct soon. We won't get any of the amount of water today that's freshly drank. So it should be conserved purely and it is our duty, each and every teacher's duty to pass this message to the children so that they can conserve it and they pass on this message to their family and so that they can protect for unsnowing this wastage of the water. So with this, I conclude my topic, which is on water conservation. And please pass on this message to the children so that they know the value and they can protect our world from being contaminated by source of water. Thank you.